Welcome to the Genius LMS. In this video, I'm going to show you how the learner gap matrix works. So this is a system that we've developed that looks at the qualifications that the learner has and qualifications that they require and notifies us accordingly. We can download this table as a CSV file, we can copy it or we can print it. We can also search for a learner's name if we have a lot of results. We can book the training direct from the LMS, so no need to go to the trainer's website, we can book direct from here. So we have all of the information on this training course. We can download this information as well. We have all of the information, so we have the venue, the dates, the number of places available, so we'll look at more details. And here we have a Google map. This also includes Google Sat Nav. Scrolling down, we've got information about the course outline. We have refreshments, lunch, parking, directions, detailed information about the training event, and some profile information about the trainer. So let's go ahead and book this event. So we add it to our basket. All of our information is filled in, pre-filled, so we don't have to type anything. We can always make any changes and save the changes if we want to edit it. We can enter a discount code if we have a discount code. Check that the order information is correct. We can view terms and conditions just to make sure we're aware, booking policies, and choose the payment method, choose credit card and complete the order. Now we just need to make payment using the secure payment form. All of our information is already entered. Just click Make Payment.